or good afternoon. If you are watching for the first time, please help us to share this video and also comment and like our video. If you are following on Facebook, please help us to share and also like our video. Today we are going to look at a major topic on aptitude test. We are in lecture 5 now. Last week we talked about analogy. So we will talk about the comparison and similarity of a word. So today now we are entering topic 5. So now quickly, without no wasting of time, because today we'll try to look at 2 topics before we close the lecture. Now let's say in your past question you might have seen questions like this, which I'm going to read out now. If the first 4 letters of the English alphabet are interchanged, which letter will be the 7th letter counting from the left? I don't know if you get the question. Let me reiterate the question again. If the first 4 letters of the English alphabet are interchanged, which will be the 7th letter counting from the left? Now this question is a topic on aptitude test Delsu. Topic 5. If you have the textbook, just open there. I think it's you will see it page 7 or 6 as the case may be. Aptitude test or series. Now the topic is known as alphabetical test. Alphabetical test or series is under a topic, and it means a concept whereby you are tracing the English alphabet either from the left or from the right, whereby you are tracing a certain letters. It has to do with what? The tracing of the letters, tracing of the English alphabet letters into a certain location or direction, tracing it from one location or the other. Let me reiterate the definition again. It has to do with the tracing of the English letters to look for their location. So it depends on the question that is being given to you anyway. They might ask you now, like this question we have here now. They say if the first 4 letters of the English letters are interchanged, now they are already directing us already. So whereby we will be tracing it later on. So the process of us tracing the letters now is not an alphabetical test. That's what it means. I believe you all understand the meaning now. Now, first of all, before we proceed further, or before we try to answer this question, first of all, you can't answer this question if you don't know your ABC to Z. I do tell my students, aptitude test or Delsu exam, post-UTME exam is not new. These are what you have done before in your pre-KG and also your nursery. Even at most times, even secondary school, at most JSS to JSS 3, they also now do verbal reasoning. So these are what you have done before. So Delsu want to try to know if you can remember what you have been taught before. That is why, if you are preparing for Delsu post-UTME or you are Delsu aspirant, you have to read everything that comes your way. Like your brothers and sisters' books, they are very they can help you. Read them. Those verbal reasoning, don't overlook them that they are small. Read them, because these are the things you are going to see. They might ask you any question anyway. So, but prepare yourself on aptitude here, because you are definitely going to see a question from me. Now, you have to know your left and right in the ABC. After you have known the ABC now, let's say you have known the ABC to Z very well, because you are required or expected to know them fluently and read them from your heart, not by looking at somewhere you are reading. Read them within yourself. So if you can recite it very well, that is perfect. Then you have to know your left and right. Now, what is your left? Where is your left and where is your right? Like this, what they are giving to us now, they told us to count it from the left. So we are following it now, and this is how you are going to see the question. It might come in this way or in this manner, or this is the nature of the question, how it's going to come. So they have given us a direction already, which we are expected to count from the left. So what is the left? Where is the left? Where is the right? Listen very carefully. Your left begins from the A to Z. Many of us, we don't know our left hand, our right hand. The A, B, C to Z now. Your left start from the A, B, C, D, T, Z, or to Z rather. Then your right start from the Z to Z, from the Z, after Z, I think we have another one. After Z, we have Y, like that. So W, us, like that. So till you get to A. So I don't know if you have understood your left and right hand side of the ABC now. So now we're going to proceed further. Further now. So now the question says, tracing it from the left outside. Tracing it from the left outside of the English alphabet. Now, look at the question. Write your ABC to Z. Know everything very, very well. Oh, but before I proceed to this direction or trying to attempt this question, first of all, the English alphabet, they are divided into 2 places. Altogether is 26. If you don't know it, please check it now. Write your ABC and count it to Z and tell me the number of them. If they are more than 26, that's to say you are a scholar, like you know your ABC very well. But if they are not up to, that's to say you are a guru when it comes to the ABCD. And those of you that will count and we have like 30 or 40, as the case may be, please, I will beg you, go and meet your younger ones to teach you ABC to Z, because you're not doing yourself a good one. You're not doing yourself any good. So I believe everyone know that the English alphabet altogether there are 26. So half of it is 13. So I'm just trying to touch this direction in case they ask you that if half of the English alphabet are interchanged, so that you'll not be confused, because they can also bring questions like that for you on the day of the examination. If the half of the English alphabet are interchanged, which will be the first or fourth letter? As the case may be, question like that might come outside. Check your past question. You will see that there's question like that already, or the ninth letter, like that. So when you divide it, divide it to 2, 30, you will see that from A to M is 1/2. N to Z is another half. I don't know if we are on the same page now. So that is it. Now let's move further. Now, the question. Back to the question now. If the first 4 letters of the English alphabet are interchanged, which should be the 7th letter? Now let's look at it very, very well from this direction now. You have written your ABC to Z. Now, please, after you have written it now, you are going to carry your pen again. Write. Let me just get where's my pen? Let me get my pen. Then let's just do it this way. You will carry your pen. So just hold on, let me get my pen, then we'll proceed. Just hold on. Sorry from the break. Now, I've gotten my pen right now, so we'll proceed now. Okay, this is it. We want to answer the question right away. I said you have to write the ABC to Z. Now, then follow the procedure or the instruction that is being given to you now. We're cutting from the left of the English alphabet. Now, after you have written it to Z, now interchange it. Now, if you are interchanging it, we now have B. It's no longer A anymore, because we are interchanging the first 4 English alphabet, which is A to D. That is A1, B2, C3, D4. These are the 4 first English alphabet. So we are interchanging these 4. It's only these 4 that we are told to interchange. Not everything, or not half of it. It's only these 4 we are told. Now, after you have interchanged it, now this is how you interchange it now. You write another one again. It's a way to begin with A, then you now begin with B, because you are told to interchange it. So we are interchanging it now. Instead of A, the first letter we now have is now B. Instead of B being the second letter, we now have A as the second letter. Then instead of C being the third letter, we now have D being the third letter, then C being the fourth letter. So we have interchanged it already. These are the first four English letters in the alphabet. We have interchanged it already. That is to say B, A, D, C. No longer A, B, C, D. It's now B, A, D, C. Hope you have seen it. Now, we were told again that after we have interchanged it, they said which will be the seventh letter, counting from the word left. And I've already defined the meaning, and I've already told you where your left and your right is. Just follow. If you are confused there, just follow your normal left hand. I believe you know your left, you know your right. And the people that will confuse here are people that are left-handed people. Please don't be confused. You also know your real left. I know that you were born like that, but you don't follow it the way it is like that, because it will not work. It will not apply to this what we are doing now. I know you can use your right, your left to eat or to do everything, but I'm speaking to those that are left-handed people. But please try to use the real world system. Sorry to say. So that is it. Let's move on. So now we're counting from the left. The left begin with B, with A. So but now I've interchanged, so we begin with B now to Z. So count now. Just count. Count and look for the seventh letter. Now let's begin. B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will see that the seventh letter is G. Letter G, you can also do the same thing. Letter G is the seventh letter. So so this becomes the answer. You see how technical this is now. But at first you were confused. But even without changing itself, you can also use your normal alphabet to do it. But why I say let's go through all this stress and all that, because if you count it from your normal letter without interchanging it, you also get several letters. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But why I go through this process? Because question might be changed. And this, if you understand what I did here now, no matter how they twist the question or the trick they use, you also, you'll be able to also know how to go about it. Now let's turn it around again, because I know why I come to this direction. Let's turn it around again. Let's say you were told to look at it from the right. Let's say which one will be the seventh letter, counting from the right, no longer left anymore. Let's see the answer we will get. Now we have already achieved this seventh letter. Now let's say we are counting from the right. So the right starts from G. The G starts the left. G to B is the right. So let's count now and look for the seventh letter, counting from the right. Let's count now. We have G, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer there becomes B. So if you don't know for now, if you want to use this system if you are told to look from if you are told to look for the seventh letter, counting from the right, if you follow the other shortcut I showed you the other time, it will not work, because you have been given instruction already to follow. Peradventure, let's say you did not interchange it, you just want to follow it the way it is like that. You did not interchange the letters, and you want to count from the seventh letter. You will say that you will not get the right answer, because automatically A will be the seventh letter. I don't know if you get it. Now let's just give it a try. Let's say now G now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see now A is the seventh letter, but if you interchange it and you count from the right, your answer becomes B, and B becomes the correct answer. So this is the end of the class. I believe you understand it very, very well, because this is everything about it. When it comes to alphabetical series or test, this is everything about it. So if you have any question, you are confused, please drop your question on the comment section. I will try my best to answer every question that I see. Then you can also call me or chat me up on WhatsApp or any of the platform. I will try my best to also reply you. Have a good day. So once again, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on our page on Facebook. We love you so much, and we look forward to see you in Delsu this year, 2024. Have a nice day, guys.